This is the most easiest way you can actually use reverb on your vocals. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process and how you can actually use reverb in your mix. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our new update. So in my FL Studio, the first thing I need to do is for me to go into my mixer, then go to the channel where my vocals is being routed to, and when it is here, I'm going to load in a Fruity Reverb. So I'm using Fruity Reverb. So after loading in the reverb, the next thing for us to do is for us to know the reverb time, and we need to know the pre-delay and the decay time, so we can actually fix it in and have a good sounding vocal. So I will head over to my reverb calculator. Just go on your browser and search reverb calculator. When you search on reverb calculator, you are going to bounce with this website. Just type in the BPM of your songs. For me, it's 105. So 105, they are telling me that small large room is 35.7. So I will just head over to my mixer to my reverb and put that 35.5.7. I'm going to put it 35 or 36. That should be okay. And my decay time, they said it is 2000. That is 2.2. Yes, I'm going to come here and add it to 2.2. When that is being done, I'm going to play it and then start working on my delay. So I'm going to cut out the low, the highs, and cut out the low, and I'm going to increase the size of the room, so, and also separate it from the left and right. So what I actually do here is, this works as an EQ, and this work as a stereo shaper to separate the reverb. So let's hear how it sounds. It's so wide, so I'm going to reduce this till it sounds the way I want it to sound.
Girl, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, girl, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah, say now you ain't the ginger. Girl, you the boss, my brain, oh.
So as you can hear, the reverb is sounding good in the mix. So let's see the before and after.
Girl, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah,
let's hear the after.
Girl, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, girl, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all that.
So you can actually hear the difference between the two things I just did. You hear without the reverb and after, before the reverb and after the reverb, and you can actually tell how it is. So for that being said, that is how you can actually work on reverb and have a good result as fast as possible. For that being said, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.